years ago, I asked myself the following question: do you want to be a good English teacher, Maureen? And I answered, yes, I want to become an English teacher to make a difference in the life of many students as I can. For this reason, I decided to study an English language major at the University of Quintana Roo. Many teachers changed my life in this major, and I want to share that with a new generation of students. Every teacher devotes their life to education. Teachers are united by the desire to impact people and are motivated by the desire to make a difference. They did more than teach, and their impact extended far beyond the classroom. What is the impact of the English program on the students? Thanks to the content taught during the 8 semesters, I acquired and developed the necessary skills to teach young and adult learners. The English language program helped me to develop skills to give motivating and interesting lessons to my students, taught me to develop my own teacher materials, taught me to find ways of developing materials to use in class which will engage my students, taught me assessing the progress, strengths, and weaknesses of my students. Moreover, it taught me to reflect on my own lesson and also by my teaching based on feedback of teachers about what I did well and what could have gone better. Teachers provided useful methods and theories on teaching. I think you are wondering what I have learned. I'm going to present you a top 10. Number 1. I learned to know who, where, and why students are learning English. Number 2. Difficult concepts require more repetition. Number 3. We cannot always teach grammar explicitly. Number 4. Children have short attention spans. Number 5. Young learners are very curious. Number 6. I learned how to elicit our participation from my students. Number 7. I learned meaningful activities for virtual classes. Number 8. I learned that intrinsic and extrinsic motivation is important for learners. Number 9. Classes don't have an overload of language. Number 10. I learned how to create an effective learning environment. I would like to mention my strengths. I'm able to orally present a certain topic taking into consideration specific strategies, techniques, and methods according to the needs and learning style of the students. I have a good management and tone of voice to attract people's attention. I love to design and creating original and innovative physical or virtual material for my students. Moreover, I love to sing, dance, and create characters in order to implement fun ways to teach content. And some of my strengths could be knowledge acquired during the major that could be useful for when I am an English teacher, such as the following: knowledge and ability to design assessment tools, knowledge about how to give effective feedback to students, and knowledge about how to organize a lesson class according to the characteristics of the students. One of my weaknesses was insecurity when speaking English because sometimes I don't have good fluency and pronunciation when communicating orally in English. Another weakness was the lack of experience as an English teacher. I didn't have the ability to manage time and the classroom. In this semester, I had the opportunity to acquire significant knowledge from expert teachers in the area of education. Another opportunity that I had to improve my weaknesses is my student teaching experience. It helps me to be an effective teacher. A trait that I could have is not improvement of my weaknesses. Perseverance is also a big part of my who I am as a person. I know the importance of working hard in order to obtain results. In this, my last year of teaching, I feel there are so many things that I have learned, yet I have so much more to learn. I have really enjoyed my student teaching experience. I have grown as a student and teacher immensely. I cannot believe that the time has come for my own classroom. I can hardly wait. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, Dr. Tion.